Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and my swallowtail babies have hatched out of their cocoon. I'm gonna try to release them for you all. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. There's two in here. There's three in here, but I don't know where the other one's at. Gonna try to open this up and release them so they can go get their nectar from the butterfly bush and everything. See if I can find the third one, but there's two here. On the top here, their wings look dry enough to release, so I'm gonna try to release the two that I see here. One, two, huh? Thought I saw a third one now. But I guess that's it. Hold on, I'll put the camera down for a minute. I'm gonna scoop one with my hand and see if it will get on my finger, because I don't want to touch her too much. Okay, here's one of the swallowtails. And I'm gonna let her go outside if I can get her back on my finger. Here goes one. Ugh. Okay, one I let go. And this is the second one. If I can get it. I hope their wings are dry enough and that they'll make it. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.